If your KitchenAid fridge isn't acting right, maybe the display's weird, it's not cooling like it should, or the ice maker's just not doing anything, a reset might be all it needs. Here's how to go about it in a few different ways, depending on what's going on. Start with the basics. Unplug the fridge from the wall, wait about 5 to 10 minutes, then plug it back in. That simple power cycle can clear up small glitches in the system. If your fridge has a control panel, there's usually a reset or filter reset button. Press and hold it for around 3 to 5 seconds. You'll usually hear a beep or see the lights flash. Once that happens, you're good. If you've just changed the water filter, you'll want to reset that too. Hold the filter reset button to let the fridge know you've swapped it out, so it stops giving you that change filter alert. For the ice maker, check for a small red reset button, usually near the unit itself. Press and hold it until you hear the motor start to move. That means it's beginning a new ice-making cycle. Some newer or more advanced models might need a specific button combo to fully reset the digital display or clear an error code. That could be something like pressing power and light at the same time, or another pair. Check your manual for the right combo.